me your roll. That's it. Come right over here. Come on, you gotta get all the way up. Atta girl, come right here. Hands up and yell. Oh, you gotta get up, girl. Hands up. Yell. Mason! Say yes, ma'am. Go get him. You guys, where's my clap? AT, step back. Say, oh, we're gonna do the form first. Double out of form block. Kick. Punch. Show me round kick. Takes it away. Yes. Twin-low block. Bend those knees. Chomp, chomp. Out of twin block. Punch. Chomp, chomp. Out of twin block. Let me hear that loud yell. My gun strike. Ready? Show me round kick up high.
Yeah, pay attention.
Come on, form block. I just finished my form. Give me 5. Faces sway. Come back up here, Sophia.
Sophia.
Get back up here, you. Oh, come right on this spot. There you go. Ready, Sophia? Yeah. Say yes, ma'am. Chimpy. Say chimpy, ma'am. For your one step, what's the name of it? Colton told me earlier. I listen. Very good. All right, get ready. Reach back. Step back. Say I. Listen. Pay attention. Follow directions. I'm a karate kid. Reach back, jump, Elbow. Very good. Give my hand. Go have your new belt tied on and hand that to mommy and daddy. Okay, then come right back. Going to orange belt tiger. I'm a winner. Tiny tiger. Ready, begin. Now, I promise to be a good person. Knowledge in my mind. Honesty in my heart. Strength in my body. And to make good friends. I'm a winner. Now, you get to bounce like Tigger. To go get a balloon. Go bounce. Bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce.
You didn't graduate, buddy.
You did. That is a big one.
Here, I found it for you.
Oh, thank you, my love.
Welcome.
Oh, I love it.
You look at that blue.
I am. I'm so proud of you. Good job. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? You did a good job. Mwah. You have an orange belt now.
And not.
Oh, I know. So cool.
Oh, this is
You're a ninja?
Anita.
Yeah. You
Oh,
are.
blue, that's a tiger.
That is. That is. Okay, give your mom your kiss. Go over there. Thank you.